We are practicing Garbha Pindasana today. But first of all, let's understand the meaning of the term Garbha Pind. Garbha Pind is the Sanskrit term where Garbha means womb and Pind means fetus. This pose derives its name from the position of the fetus in the womb. This pose resembles the position of the fetus in the womb. That is why it is called Garbha Pindasana. Let's see how can we practice this. First of all, sit with straight legs. External rotation of right hip. Bring the foot close to your groin and come in half lotus. Right leg placed on left hip joint. Now take your left arm and keep it in front of your right ankle. Lift the left foot. Place it on the edge of the right knee, bringing left arm as much as you can, at least till the elbow. Now take the right hand in front of left ankle and slide it close to your groin and slide it as much as you can till the time both the elbows come out of your legs. This way. Now widen your knees a little more and try and grab your jawbone or your ears and place the hands on the face, bringing your knees close to your chest, engaging the core, hunching the back a little. Like this. This is Garbha Pindasana. Nasagra Drishti, Drishti on the nose. Take a few deep breaths and release. Now we will take 9 rounds from the right side. These 9 rounds denote the 9 months a fetus spends in the womb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And before you get up in 9th round, take your hands a little backwards and we'll get up in Kukkutasana. Like this. Drishtis again, Nasagra on the nose. Pull the knees up, engage the core. Keep your weight on your hands. Push the ground and hold the pose for a few breaths. This is Kukkutasana. And release. And relax. This is how you practice Garbha Pind and Kukkutasana. It will take some time and practice to learn how to slide your arms in your legs. In the beginning, you can wear shorts and spray some water on your arms or apply some moisturizer or oil on your arms. That will help you slide your arms easily through your legs. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.